Lesson 7, Remote Control SG90 Servo Motor. In this lesson, we'll show how to control a SG90 servo motor remotely. The parts needed for this project as is shown in this picture. Please set up the hardware according the circuit graph, then connect the Uno board to PC via USB cable. This project needs to connect Arduino to Cayenne I platform firstly. To learn how to set up Arduino, please visit Lesson 1. Enter your email and password to log in Cayenne platform. Go to the dashboard. Select Add New, click Device Widget, choose Actuators Motor, click Servo Motor. Widget name, the default name is Servo Motor, we change it to SG90 Servo Motor. Select Device, choose Arduino Uno. Connectivity, choose Virtual. The pins from V0 to V4 are already being used by other widgets, so we use pin V5 in this project. Widgets, choose Slider. Slider min value, 0. Slider max value, 1. Click Step 1, Sketch File. The sample sketch will be displayed. Copy and paste the sketch into Arduino IDE. Find the code line #define virtual pin. Change the pin number same as you have chosen for SG90 servo motor. Here is V5. Choose the board type Arduino Uno and card port, then upload the sketch to your Uno board. Go to Cayenne dashboard, click Step 2, Add Actuators, then you should see the servo motor was added on your dashboard. Now you can control the servo motor by clicking the slider icon. At the same way, you can also control the servo motor through mobile. In this project, we can only make the servo motor moved around between 0 to 180 degrees. Now let's make it more interesting. Open Arduino IDE, find the code in position equals current value 200. Select 200 directly and upload the sketch to a Uno board. Go to Cayenne dashboard, click the SG90 servo motor setting button. Set the slider max value as 180. Click Save button. Now you can make the servo motor move to specific position. The servo will move depending on the slider value. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit www.osoyu.com.